Welcome to Mare Cruises Solo. Today is day 2 of this 16-day South America and Antarctica cruise. It's the day before Christmas Eve and we're a few hours away from docking in Montevideo, Uruguay. Come along with me as I take you on a walking tour of the city and show you what I get up to around the ship today.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Your breakfast.
Thank you. Good morning from my balcony. I just got back from the garden cafe, which is the buffet. I had an omelet and some toast, and then I brought the coffee back to the cabin with me so I can sit out here and enjoy this as we're sailing in to Montevideo. We're getting pretty close. It is 7:30. We are not scheduled to dock until I believe 9 o'clock. I have a scheduled walking tour at 10 a.m. That I booked through a free walking tour app, so I have a little bit of time on the ship before I need to prepare for that. The spa doesn't open until 8 a.m. I thought about going over there in about 30 minutes and maybe get an hour in the spa before I have to get ready to get off the ship. We'll see how it goes. At the plaza, and I'm a few minutes early, but I'm gonna look around and see if my guide is here yet. It's really pretty here, and it is very hot. I am sweating already. So far, I really like Montevideo. It's gorgeous, very historic, a lot of old buildings, really awesome architecture, and it's green.
Still our main exports are meat, leather, milk, dairy products. Entrance of the Spanish troops in the Peninsula Montevideana. So we're about to celebrate 300 years of existence, official existence, yes? So you're gonna see that's why a lot of people working around trying to put the city in the best conditions for our anniversary next January. And if you look to the left, you start seeing, you can see some of the smoke starting to go out of the grills, yes? That's the market of the port where we're heading. For dogs, but they do not take care of the poo of the dogs. So you're gonna see that. I always try to show buildings, but you cannot look because you have to watch down your feet, watch the ground. It's very important in our historical aspect, the thing of football. It's almost like a religion now. When a newborn, when a kid is born, the first thing that the kid receives is a jersey to that one. And to the right, one of my favorites, it's called Pamplona, like the city in Spain. Yes, Pamplona is made out of pork or chicken with the skin outside and with some ham and cheese inside. Yes.
It's really good.
The most famous variety of wines is Tanat, yes? That's the most famous variety of grapes in Uruguay. T-A-N-N-A-T. It's a red, rough, rustic wine that goes good with meat, yes? The cathedral, where it is the main square during colonial times. In 1804, with those domes that resemble the Portuguese, the Arab world, those tiles, those black and white and blue tiles. The clock brought from Liverpool, still really accurate, let's see. This fountain, which was put there to commemorate the arrival of the water pipelines to the city in 1870s. But the church opposed to putting this fountain here. Why that? You can see it has a lot of symbolism from the Freemasonry world, yes? Especially English Freemasonry. Headquarters of the government, which also the system of justice here, with the, you get your trial here, and we have more French heritage in our culture and our education. So we tend to be a little bit more polite, discreet, distant than Argentinians. They make fun of us. We've been walking all around here to the port. We went up and we got into the cathedral. Now we are here, which used to be the headquarters of the colonial government. And the city closed with walls all around, yes? Right now here, it's the Independence Square with the Presidency of the Republic, the actual one, yes? And this door is still standing. We're gonna see it in a minute.
Just got back on the ship and I'm heading up to Oceans to get some lunch. I'm starving and my feet need a rest from walking. I'm in this cool elevator that I can see out of. It is 4:45 and we are getting ready to depart. It just came over the loudspeaker, called a bunch of names, and it sounds like there's still not people back yet. 5 o'clock is our departure time today, so it's technically 15 minutes until then, but you are supposed to be back on the ship 30 minutes before the actual departure time. I don't know what's going on. Hopefully nobody gets left behind. I'm really into this book that I'm reading. I got some time in earlier. It was really relaxing and enjoyable. And decide what I'm going to do for dinner tonight. I don't have a reservation anywhere, so probably just going to do the main dining room again. Oh, we got two people back there, guys. I think we got some Pier Runners. Only they're not running, they're just walking. They look like passengers. And they did get dropped off in a car. That white car back there. Interesting. Over 20 minutes late. Did not seem to have any urgency. But they just almost missed the ship. Okay, now they're packing up. Goodbye, goodbye. See you next time. Montevideo, Uruguay. It looks like those are the last couple passengers that we were waiting on.